If you like watermelon, you gotta try it like this. Just slice it up and add balsamic vinegar, some beautiful Palestinian olive oil, and the secret ingredient, black salt, also known as kala namak in Urdu. And honestly, this kind of tastes like vomit for a split second, but in a good way. You get the sweetness from the watermelon, a bit of tartness from the balsamic vinegar, and then that smooth texture from the olive oil, and the black salt really just opens up all those taste buds. And if you're currently following the genocide that's happening in Palestine right now, you might be seeing a lot of watermelons beside Palestinian flags. It's because it resembles the Palestinian flag. And the reason why this even came about was because in 1967, when Israel occupied more territories in Palestine, they actually banned the Palestinian flag. So in order to not get persecuted, the Palestinian people chose the watermelon as a symbol for the Palestinian flag. And unfortunately, a lot of anti-Palestinian people are still using this lame excuse of the Palestinian flag being a symbol for terrorism, or even the slogan when they say, "From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free," and somehow that's support for terrorism. If a native population is asking for their freedom and to get their land back and to stop the discriminatory acts, the oppression, or God forbid they ask for bombs to not drop on their children, then that doesn't mean any slogan or act of defense means some sort of act of terrorism. They are explaining, they are trying to tell you that what is happening to them isn't right. And so please do not buy into the anti-Palestinian or Zionist propaganda where they try to limit your voice or shut you down. Keep speaking the truth. You have humanity with you and you're on the right side.